Hello, beautiful beaders. Welcome to the first episode of Beadmas. I'll be showing you how to make the stripped Christmas bracelet. So let's get started. These are the materials you require: red, green, and white beads, nylon monofilament line which will be 0.35 millimeters in diameter, and a pair of scissors. Go ahead and cut your fishing line, then fold it into half. Using the fishing line on your right, pick 2 red and 2 green beads. Then crisscross. Using the fishing line facing upwards, pick 1 green bead and pick 2 white beads using the fishing line facing downwards. Then crisscross. So this is a 1-column bracelet. So let us continue beading. Using the fishing line facing upwards, pick 1 white, and using the fishing line facing downwards, pick 2 red beads. Then crisscross. Remember that in the right angle weave, we should have 4 beads. Using the fishing line facing upwards, pick 1 red and pick 2 green beads on the lower fishing line. Then crisscross. Using the fishing line facing upwards, pick 1 green bead, and using the fishing line facing downwards, pick 2 white beads, and then crisscross. Using the fishing line facing upwards, pick 1 white bead, and on the lower side, pick 2 red beads, then crisscross. Continue beading just like I have shown you, and see you when you finish off the bracelet. Now it's time to finish it off, and it's pretty simple. So we need to pick 1 red bead using the fishing line facing upwards, and pick 1 white bead using the fishing line facing downwards. The next step is to pass both fishing lines through the first red bead that we entered. Pass the remaining fishing line through the other beads. That is how we bead the stripped Christmas bracelet. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, so please subscribe for more.